Mr. Prem Rawat.
You want freedom? You want to feel free? How many of you want to feel free? But some of you are in the wrong place. My God, this is what we talk about here. Freedom. We talk about the ultimate human possibility. Nothing shy, nothing short, no compromises, all or nothing, no gambling, for sure. I deal with knowledge. We deal with knowledge. We deal with knowledge, not ignorance. We deal with clarity, not befuddlement. We deal with experience, not squiggly little words on a piece of paper. Experience. Those of you who didn't raise their hands may want to consider some freedom in your life. I mean, it's a really nice feeling. And clarity is beautiful too. Because the more clear you are, the more clarity you can share.